You know, one of the things that we get very caught up in that concerns people a lot is getting a name to a pain that they have, an illness that they have, a discomfort. And boy, do they feel happy when they get a diagnosis from the doctor and they now know what they have. It's almost like, oh, now I know how to treat it. Sadly, with that diagnosis comes the recommendation for medication that you now must take or actually will end up taking. Why do we worry so much about the name of an illness as if that would solve all our issues and our imbalances in our body? I don't know why, but let me tell you what I do know. I do know that if we gave attention to the body at a cellular level, all these discomforts and all these imbalances would be getting the attention they need. We hear that a lot, deal with the body at a cellular level. What exactly does that mean? Well, let's talk about what a cell is very briefly and not scientifically. When an egg and a sperm get together and fertilization occurs, the cell is formed. So when an egg and a sperm get together, the first cell is formed. And that cell divides into two, and those two into two, and they continue to divide, and what happens is now we have a whole bunch of cells. All the cardiac cells go together and form the heart. All the hepatic cells get together and form the liver, and so on and so on. So when you think of our brain, you think of our heart, you think of our lungs, you think of our kidneys, they're all basically what? Formed from cells. Cells form tissues, tissues form these organs. So when we talk about dealing with organs or dealing with our body at a cellular level, we're actually talking about giving attention in the most basic form to our organs. Interestingly, if I give attention to my cells, I'm not just going to be giving attention to the heart or to the brain or to the lungs. I'm actually, if I give attention to the body at a cellular level, because all my organs are formed from cells, I'm going to be giving attention to all my organs. Wouldn't that be great? And actually, that is the way to do it, because all our organs are interdependent. We have body systems that depend from others. Sadly, what has happened is that we've become a society where we depend on, okay, we have a medical doctor, but then we have all these specialists. We have a specialist for the heart, we have a specialist for the lungs, we have a specialist for the liver. And so when we have one issue and the doctor wants to recommend something, now he's got to talk to these other 10 doctors to make sure that whatever he recommends isn't affected by whatever else the other doctors think is happening in our body. Crazy, huh? What if we gave attention at a cellular level to the body all the time and gave it the nutrition it needed? Would it not, in fact, work as it has been designed to work? Yes, it would. And I know that seems simple, but it really is. So how about we continue to give ourselves the nutrition we need in something that actually addresses our cells directly? That's what this product, So Vital, one of the many things it does. I have different videos on this product. But this one in particular, I want to show you how important it is to use the chlorophylls in this product to give attention to our body at a cellular level. The kind of blood that we have will determine the type of cells that we have. So if I give attention to my blood, which is one of the things that chlorophylls do, then I am going to have healthier blood, which in turn will mean I have healthier cells. Why? Why do I say that? Because the blood is what takes nutrition to the cells. The blood is what picks up all the toxins that the cells let go of and then removes it from the veins. So it's very important that I have healthy blood so that I can in turn have healthy cells. And if I have healthy cells, then my organs are going to have what they need to work as they should. So very important to keep ourselves giving our body the nutrition we need, and that's one of the things that's going to happen with our intake of So Vital continuously. There's a lot that goes into feeding our bodies properly. Obviously what we eat, and obviously exercising and sleeping well, but giving attention to our bodies at a cellular level is very important. And I hope this helps you to make wise decisions and start taking steps towards taking care of yourself so that when you do have issues, your organs, because you've been addressing the cells, are better prepared to defend you and do what they're designed to do, keep you healthy.